guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe and Lainey's is upset. Lainey's, you gonna say hi? Say hi. And today we're going on a trip to Negril for my little sister's birthday. Don't tell her, she doesn't know. And yeah, we should just have a good time, so let's go. Where's Spider-Man?
No,
how do you feel, Winnie?
Oh,
Winnie, how do you feel?
I feel great.
Gia, how do you feel? Okay, Noe, how do you feel? All right. Names! Talk around to TMZ. Tell me what you did today. Oh, shoot. Hey guys, so as you probably saw in my last clip, Mom popped one of our tires on the car and that really sucked. But fortunately she had some friends who could come and help us because we were pretty close to Negril, which is where we're at right now. Basically, she just got her friends to come and help us. They got all their stuff. Luckily, we had to leave the car at a gas station nearby. But we're gonna obviously get the new tire in the morning. And then we're at one of her good friends' place now. We're actually at the Blue Hole that I went to in my previous video, like one of my previous videos. Did a link so you guys can watch it. But oh my god, I've never seen this room and they're so nice. I cannot wait to show you guys. It's a little dark right now. You can kind of see, you know, around me like what it kind of looks like. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish one of my course assignments and get into pajamas, and I will show you guys or talk to you guys in the morning. Hey guys, morning. I just woke up, and so did my sisters. It's like 8, almost 9, and I really want to show you guys what this place looks like. So let's go. Hi, Wayne. How do you feel? No, no, no. All right, Aaron. How do you feel?
How do I feel right now?
Yes.
Angry.
All right, Noe. How do you feel? Okay, Leans. How do you feel? Ladies.
She's ruining in there. Ruining in there.
Me too, Mom. What she said. We all feeling like Leans.
Leans, it's bad.
What is that?
What is this? A Satan button?
A satin button.
Oh, I thought it said a Satan button.
Oh, no.
Oh, Gia, it's your birthday.
Everybody's gonna know you're working out. Everybody's gonna tell you
Just
happy
drop it.
birthday. How do you feel?
No.
I feel like. Does it say my name? Dang
No,
it.
it says happy. It says
No,
happy birthday, girl. It's your
I'll
birthday.
give you a grandma
No.
gift.
Hey guys, so we got to Sea Star yesterday, and I had a ton of homework and assignments to do for my TEFL course. So I didn't really do a lot of talking because I was so stressed about getting my assignments done, and yesterday was the deadline for that week's homework, so I had to hurry. But today is my little sister's 13th birthday, my little sister Gia, as you guys saw in the other clip of her getting her birthday girl button. And yeah, we have a few things planned to do today, not too much. Also, don't mind my hair. I'm leaving like this week and I'm gonna do something with it. But yeah, so we're just gonna be, well, I'll film what we will be doing. I don't want to like spoil it in case she like pops up somewhere and then I spoil what we're gonna do. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. We back, boys. We back. How we feeling? Kinda. What do you mean, kinda?
Just kidding. Just kidding.
Gia, happy birthday! Winnie, your party hat looks funny. These are glow sticks for you guys. To you.
Cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cabbage.
Hey guys, so don't mind my flat hair. I'm all home now from Negril. We got back last night and I was so tired, so I just went to bed. But yeah, that was our little trip. I'm not sure how much footage I actually got. I was so stressed about getting my schoolwork and homework done and submitted. I didn't have the best Wi-Fi this time at Sea Star, which was really interesting because usually like Sea Star has some of the most reliable Wi-Fi. So I had to go to a couple like places like Patsy's Cafe. I think it's a cafe. I'm just gonna call it Patsy's. I had to go to Patsy's and I had to go to another really nice beach called Skylark. My siblings were gonna go hang out with some with this other lady who's an expat, whose grandson is here. He's been here for a couple months and he just needed some friends to hang out with. So I took my siblings over to Skylark in Negril and they had some fun with him, swam and everything, and I just finished my coursework and submitted it. But yeah, I think that's the end of the video now. I have like 2 more videos to actually film as we're coming up on our third year of living in Jamaica on the 14th of this month in March, which is actually this weekend. Today's the 10th, so yes, lots of content coming for you guys. I'm being kind of quiet. Hopefully the fan's not overtaking my voice. I'm being kind of quiet because as you can see, there's baby right there asleep on my bed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you guys have any questions about me living in Jamaica, maybe there's some things I haven't addressed in previous videos, maybe you have some special questions for me as I'm coming on my 3rd year of living here, yeah, don't be afraid to ask them in the comments or message me on Instagram. So I will see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and